What's up, guys? I'm in a 2015 Volkswagen Passat. If you want to know how to set the clock, not very difficult. Far left side of your instrument cluster right here, just press this. Now look at the clock up on the top center. Hit the button over here. Okay, and once it's flashing, then come over to the right side and change it. You gotta do it kind of quickly or it'll time out. So go here, then press. See it going up on the time, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And it also will change the dial clock, the standard clock in the dash as you see it flipping around. So yeah, keep doing that. Whoops, as I missed it. 5, then hit the button again and it will go to the next digits, then change that as needed. And then that's it. Just keep, you just press it till it comes back to the center. Like so. That's it. Very simple. Check out my channel. I got hundreds of videos on stuff on cars, dirt bikes, ATVs, scooters, motocross bikes, Harley Davidsons, classic cars, new stuff, old stuff, all kinds of stuff. Check it out. And if my video saved your life, make sure you click the thanks button. You'll see it under the video screen. Feel free to send a donation. We appreciate it. You'll have a great day. We'll see you.